Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. I know it's been a while, but I have been sick, I've been injured, but I'm not going to talk about that, right? So I have crossed $100,000 in online earnings, and I wanted to really share it with you guys so that you can go ahead and implement what I did. So let's begin. By the way, you can see all the screenshots. There are a lot of screenshots that I couldn't fit in, but you can see some are from CP Creeps, on the partner with Anthony, build redirects, get response. This is pay kickstart, Kartra, and a lot of stuff, right? These are from legacy, the most recent sales and everything. So yeah, I hope you I actually got inspired when I created this, so maybe you get to, who knows. I'm not going to talk about my initial struggles and such, as I want this video to be as straight to the point as possible to help you, right? If you want to know just a little, I tried almost everything, right? I struggled for 6 months. If you know my story, I struggled for 6 months to get my first commission, as I had no guidance whatsoever, right? I made like $16 doing a little CPA marketing, right? I wasted money and purchased a lot of courses because of my shiny object syndrome. I'm pretty sure you have, like, a lot of you guys have this problem of shiny object syndrome, like jumping from one thing to another, jumping from YouTube to Instagram to Pinterest to TikTok, right? If you do, please comment down and let me know, and this video will help you overcome that. So ultimately, I finally decided to stick to one thing, that is YouTube, and this happened, right? And this happened. Okay, so my strategy was documentation. Okay, this is my turning point. So I decided to stick with affiliate marketing and stick with YouTube as my platform, right? That's it. Okay, so the strategy was documentation. That is, whenever I got some sort of results, I started documenting it. Whenever I learned something in my niche, I created video about it. Whenever I liked a product, maybe it's a course, maybe it's a software, I created simple reviews about it, and then I uploaded it onto YouTube. And then the result comes, right? One video hit it off. You can say this was like 5 years ago. It's called Partner with Anthony Review. This was like, you can go ahead and watch it right now, right? It's on 2019. Okay, so this video was about a program that I purchased, and when I implemented it into action, I made sales, right? And I documented. There is not a lot of sales. Maybe I made like 4 or 5 sales in something, and I just documented it and created this review video right here. Okay, so it wasn't much, couple of sales, but still created a video about it. Now that inspired me. Making couple of sales, that really inspired me, right? Remember when I said I implemented the strategies of that program? This time I did a whole case study of it. So whenever I learned something from that program called Partner with Anthony, I started doing it. So while I was doing it, I actually started creating videos about it. So I just had to create a screen record video just like you watching it now. So as you can see, I did like 7-part series, right? I did one thing, second thing, the third thing, right? I created funnels here. I wrote emails here. I purchased traffic according to what Partner with Anthony showed me, and then actually made sales, right? And then some sales came from emails, the email marketing, the email that I wrote up, some sales came from there, right? So the views weren't much, but I got a good amount of sales, as you can see. 390 views, 165, 281, 160, right? Again, you don't really need a lot of views to make sales. Okay, I continued creating similar new tutorial videos that I learned from the program itself and got more sales as I added my affiliate link in the description. At this point of time, I made about $900 with that program. Do you see this? The program that time cost about $3.5, actually $7, and I made 50% of that. And there was like one-time option of $97. I made 50% of that. So these were some nice results. This opportunity gave me an opportunity to showcase my results and give an in-depth review. So I did my first review here, and after that I did my second review after I got like $900 with that program, right? So here, simple thumbnail, PW review, I made sales. Okay, and you see 18,000 views, right? This video resulted in more sales. Okay, I repeated the whole process all over again, and later on I created another review, and guess what? That gave me these results, right? These results of $18,890 in commissions. Again, you do not need thousands of subscribers or followers to make money. You just need the right people watching your videos. Now let me show you something else, right? Another example. So I wanted to try paid traffic. Okay, so this was all, about taking action on a program. Now shiny object syndrome came in, right? I wanted to try another program with paid traffic and such, now that I had a budget. So I wanted to pay traffic, and my SOS, that is shiny object syndrome, was killing me. But this time I could document it. Okay, I tried another program called Super Affiliate Sniper, and it brought me results within 3 days. I actually documented it on a Google Doc as well, along with the video. So after a week or so, I documented my results in this video right here. I made ClickBank affiliate sales with Bing and Bing/Microsoft ads with proof. Okay, these were my actual results, $435 made. Okay, and then this. After a while, I created this. So paid ads was working really well for me, right? So I was making money with paid ads, great. But since the program was working for me, I became an affiliate for it, right? I dropped the affiliate link under all these videos. Okay, now after this video, I released a couple of case studies, a proper review of the very program, and then some more videos related to it. Okay, so this was a product that I promoted with the paid ads. I created a case study where I actually made more than $3,359 in profit. Okay, same with this product called I'm not sure, but $1,000 with this one, right? And then I created a Super Affiliate Sniper review, the review about the program itself that I used in order to get these results. Okay, and you go and check it out. Again, I created multiple videos related to that exact paid traffic strategy that I learned from Super Affiliate Sniper, right? Do you see a pattern here? I was documenting, creating tutorials, all based on what I learned from the program. It wasn't like I was an expert. I started learning, I started implementing, and then I started recording while I was implementing, and also created tutorial videos about the things I learned, which could help people, right? And all of this made me this much, right? For the Affiliate Sniper program, actually, if you see here, about $11,668. Okay, you can see that I have actually made about 65 sales, right? A lot of hops from here and there from YouTube itself, but I made 65 sales that resulted me $11,000. This was a $500 program, $497 something, and I make like 50% of that. Okay, so but you know what? When I was making sales of this program initially, I made videos about that too. So when I made sales about Warrior Plus, in Warrior Plus, I created videos about Warrior Plus as well, how I was making these sales, right? And then I sent them to other programs and made some good commissions there as well. Now tell me, what is this video that you're watching? This is documentation of my results, of me crossing $100,000 in online commissions, in online earnings. Now, in the end, what did you learn? Document whatever you do. Your experiments, your results, your experiments with something, reviews, what you learned. It doesn't have to be YouTube. Okay, maybe you're learning Instagram, you're applying whatever you learned, you got viral or got 1,000 followers, 100 followers, 10 email subscribers, create another short video about the process you did. Or maybe that particular strategy didn't work. Create a short explaining what doesn't work in Instagram, because guess what? There are plenty of people just like you who are trying the same thing that you did or are about to do, and they will really appreciate you, right? You will save their time. If they do that, they'll follow you, subscribe you, and start consuming your other content, and they start to look at your recommendations as they trust you now. And then what happens? Any guesses? You make sales, you start making money, right? You start generating that passive income as you always wanted. Guys, this is such a simple process that I did, and you can too. You can document your failure, you can document results, tiny results. If you made $100 online, people think that $100 is not a big deal, but you are one of that 10% of people who actually made something online. You are actually one of those few people who did something and got that lead, got that sale, got those followers. So these are all results. Share with the world. There are like 90% of people who don't know how to do this. They will appreciate you. Look, I had no guidance. I did all this from scratch, right? All this from scratch. I had to learn it. I spent 6 months getting my first sale, but did not make consistent money after that too. I didn't know exactly what made me that sale. I just knew that I did YouTube and it got me a sale somehow. There was no strategy involved, so I struggled a bit more and then figured out, watched others videos, then figured out what to do, experimented, and finally, you can see all these results. So guys, if you actually want to learn this, if you actually want to have that proper guidance to properly market anything you want, then I highly recommend that you check the link in the description below, right? If you want to properly learn true affiliate or digital marketing with 100% commissions ranging from $100 to $900 and learn how to make it on a daily basis, check the link below. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.